Hi everyone, in this video, we show you how to withdraw money on Coinmarketcap. First of all, open up the Coinmarketcap app on your phone. Once you get into the app, tap to go into Markets from the bottom left corner. Now, from here, you can see the market cap of every coin. After that, tap to go into Portfolio from the bottom bar. Then, you can see the overview of all portfolios from here. Now, tap to create a new portfolio. Now from here, tap to connect your wallet. For this, you just have to enter your wallet address and we will sync it right away. After that, you need to enter your new wallet connection name and wallet address. Or you can connect your Binance account from here. Creating a portfolio is so easy. All you need to do is enter your wallet name and done. After creating it, go into it and tap on Add Transaction here. Then choose the coin you want to transfer. Now, enter the amount and tap to Add Transaction. After that, your transaction will be added to the transaction history of the portfolio. Just like this, you can add different transactions under one wallet. Now tap on the diamond icon from the top corner, and you can trade for the diamonds you have. You can get diamond points from the rewards you will win. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.